Are you overwhelmed managing user access in your academy? With LearnWorlds custom user roles, map users to their specific responsibilities effortlessly. Tailor access levels with ease. Enable your team to focus on impactful training. Create custom user roles in seconds and eliminate distractions. Control access with over 60 unique permissions, ensuring sensitive data stays secure. Collaborate effortlessly with external partners while managing their access to reports and tools. Your clients and instructors can monitor progress or contribute to training, restricted for safety. Experience the advanced features of LearnWorlds, designed for seamless school management. Enhance engagement with secure, flexible courses, and valuable insights. Join LearnWorlds today and transform your academy.